In today's video, I'll be trying to remove the tint of these headlights. We'll probably get the smoked headlights, the one that the housing is a bit smoked. I still want that dark look. So first things first, I was doing it in the rain, so the lights, it's a bit wet. I need to dry them up. If you want to protect your paint, you can tape around the headlights on both sides, just so you don't mess up with your paint or anything.
Drop that shit.
So I've decided to use a heat gun. I anticipated it to be, a quick, faster process, but anyway, I think we're getting somewhere. But yeah, I've decided to use a heat gun so I can fasten the process a bit. I'm still on the first side, the right headlight. I haven't done much on this side, but it looks slightly better.
Drop that.
To the 16th floor, I just need a little more. Rocking out too low, not sure. Making that thing swing back and forth. Look at us, we're out of sorts. Thank God we're not keeping score. Losing our mind to cannibal chords. Making that thing swing back and forth.
No damage visible, as you can tell, which is very rare. If you're an amateur, you're prone to making such mistakes, and so comparing the two, check this one out, check the other one. Look at the difference. Now let's get to the other headlight, and I think we'll be done.
Making that thing swing back and forth.
I think it looks great now, and I think we're done. I didn't touch the top parts just so I can still keep some of that smoked look. So let me show you how it is. So I tended to ignore that top portion so I can still, maintain that aggressive kind of look on both sides. And I think we actually did it. Looks really great. Hopefully I haven't messed up anything. Just turn on the car just to see nothing is messed up.